My name is Erin Graybill, and I'm founder and managing director of Niré. Niré is a specialist makeup brush, tool, and skincare brand. I've always loved products. I'm a very happy shopper, especially in the beauty industry. So my idea for the first product came actually from my own frustration. I was having some skin issues at the time, and I developed really sensitive skin. And I found that a lot of the brushes were either way too expensive or way too harsh. So I was always really frustrated that I couldn't find a super soft makeup brush that was good for my skin as well. So I kind of thought that would be fun to try to develop one myself. And so that is where it all began. I actually started developing products as a side project when I was an international trade economics student. I think what made me decide to become an entrepreneur was always having a curiosity for global markets. Good things come to those who wait, and you need to be patient. There's really no other way to learn those kind of the hard lessons as being an entrepreneur than trying, failing, learning more. So it takes more time than you think, but it's totally worth it. Amazon has helped us reach customers in ways that it would have been a lot more difficult if we were doing everything only from our own website. It helps you as a small business owner start to reach more customers. We're very proud that our top-selling product on Amazon across the UK and Europe has about 8,000 five-star reviews and counting. We actually just received a lovely comment. Niré Beauty, they're amazing and so affordable. I got rid of all my used brushes thanks to yours. Aw, another happy customer.